This is a question also on the magnetic field of current carrying wires. You are given two wires in the question. The direction of current is not given to you, you are supposed to find out, but you are given the direction of the three compass needles. So the answer to this question is A, the direction of current is the same and the size of current is smaller in X than in Y. How do you get this answer? So first up, we look at the first compass, which is compass P. We noted that this compass P is pointing downwards. This means that the magnetic field lines here is pointing downwards. Using right hand grid rule, we start by using our fingers to curl it in the same direction as indicated by this arrow compass P. And if you do that, you notice that your thumb is pointing into your paper or into the screen. So I put an X here to indicate the direction of current is into the paper or into the screen. Now we do the same technique for wire Y by taking reference to the compass needle R. So when you do that, again start with your fingers curling in the same direction as the arrow in compass needle R. And when you do that, again your thumb will be pointing into the paper or into the screen, indicating that the current is going into the screen. So as you can see, the two currents are all going into the screen, same direction of current. Now, how do we realize that the current in Y is bigger? That comes from the arrow in compass Q. We look at the middle space here. You notice that the blue field line and the red field lines, they are opposite in direction. So if the magnetic field strength of both wires is exactly the same, then there will be a complete cancellation of magnetic field lines. After all, magnetic field lines are vectors. So, but in this case, we noted that the compass needle Q points upwards. This must mean that the strength of the red color field lines is stronger. That's why it makes the compass needle Q point upwards. And that's the reason why the current in wire Y is bigger, to create a bigger magnetic field so as to make compass needle Q point upwards despite there being a downwards blue color field line by wire X.